As a maintenance mechanic, you maintain the machinery, preventative maintenance, lubricating things, tightening things up, basically keep everything up and running. But also, we have to solve problems, all the problems. We do feel a lot of pressure at times and stress when the line is down, we're not making money. So it's up to us to get that thing going as fast as we can and as safely as possible. It's noisy in some places. You have to wear a lot of PPE, a lot of hearing protection.
Real loud in there. At first it was a little odd, like wearing all the stuff, like the hair net, the beard net, the earplugs. But now you don't even notice it.
One of the more difficult things as a maintenance mechanic is to change gears quickly. Let's say you're in the middle of doing some preventative maintenance and now you got to stop what you're doing and go help out to get another line running. Dealing with the older machinery and then switching gears to a newer piece of equipment. Your mindset has to change completely.
We'll see what we have. So I got a PM for the triplex pump on 46. Let's go take a look.
If you don't have the job completed yet and the line's not up and running, sometimes you have to put in the extra time and effort to get it going. It's dirty at times as well. Some days you can take a bath in margarine. You think margarine smells good. It doesn't. What makes a good maintenance mechanic is people with a vast array of abilities, from electrician to welder to fabricator, plumber. All these things will help. The more you know, the better. The one thing I love most about it is it's always something different from minute to minute. It's very satisfying. When you come up to a line that's not running, you can get that thing going, you watch it run, and now everybody's making money, having a better day. That's the rewarding part of the job for sure.